The next lock that I will show you is a lock again that I bought in Qatar. It's a KINBAR padlock with a lion, so you need to protect your property. Brand new and sold all over the world, I guess. It's the model A260H, proudly made in China, and it has maximum key and barrel, whatever that means. All anti-theft stuff. It's a ball bearing, and it costed something like 36 Qatari riyal, which is about 6 euro, let's say, about 6 euro, I guess. Very heavy, very nice finishing, no sharp edges, it really works. The ball bearings are inside, so really it is a ball bearing, and the key looks like a key, from this detainer lock. So it looks, but it has cuts on the sides, so it's not a key from this detainer lock. That's the keyway, very interesting keyway, as most of these locks. And inside is a wafer lock, what I can make out. So let's see if we can pick it in some good amount of time. The biggest problem with these locks is not the wafers, I would guess, but it's getting access to the wafers. It's very hard to find the proper tension range, and how to reach them is also not really that easy. So let's see if I'll be pushing again on my pry bar. And the pry bar flies out. Okay. Let's get a look now. 2, wafer 3, 4. Guess there are about 5 wafers. I have done it for a Chinese lock. It makes quite decent fight. So it's not that bad lock. It's a fun lock to pick. And open. So, as I said, you just press the wafers and it opens at one point. No spring tension whatsoever. So, good. It says, great, we opened it. There's also another security flaw, in my opinion, for this lock. You can actually very easily drill through here, through this so-called drain hole. And this is what it holds the internals. I don't know if you can make it. Again, you can put some light on the bottom. Yeah. If you can see this, what makes the shadow, this is the bar that holds the core in place. So, very nice looking lock. If you don't know how to open it, I guess it will stay locked. Okay guys, thanks for watching and keep it legal. Cheers.